Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Remote Play PC. First, let's gather everything you will need for a smooth experience. You'll need your PlayStation 4 console updated to its latest software, along with a PlayStation Network account. A stable internet connection is key, ideally 15 megabits per second for the best quality. Finally, grab your Windows 10 or newer PC, your DualShock 4 controller, and a reliable USB cable to connect them. Next, we'll prepare your PlayStation 4 console for remote access. From the function screen, go into your settings. Locate and enable the Remote Play Connection settings. It's also important to activate your PlayStation 4 as your primary console under Account Management. For convenience, adjust your power save settings to allow remote play to function even when your console is in rest mode, ensuring it stays connected to the internet and can be turned on remotely. Now, let's get your PC ready and connect your controller. Begin by downloading and installing the official PS Remote Play application onto your Windows computer. For the most reliable connection, plug your DualShock 4 controller directly into your PC using a USB cable. If you prefer wireless, hold the Share and PlayStation buttons on your controller until the light bar flashes, then pair it through your PC's Bluetooth settings, selecting Wireless Controller from the available devices. You're almost ready to play. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 console is either fully powered on or in rest mode. Then, launch the PS Remote Play application on your Windows PC. You'll need to sign into PlayStation Network using the exact same account that's linked to your PlayStation 4 console. Once signed in, simply select your PlayStation 4 from the options presented in the app, and your remote play session will begin, allowing you to enjoy your games.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.